This will be an unboxing of the Wyze cordless vacuum. If you never heard of the Wyze brand, they are a really great company that make good product at an affordable price. I'll leave link in the description for this vacuum and also for some of my favorite product that Wyze make. Here's some description. And the package was shipped straight in this box. There wasn't any brown box covered, but it is well packed. There was no damage to it, as you can see. Quick start guide. Let's go to that real quick. Show you some detail how to assemble it and disassemble. I also got the badge because I pre-ordered it. Got two wheels on the side, and this also rotate side to side. I believe if you pre-order it, you get some accessory that you will not be getting when you order this later on, when it becomes available again. You get the charger for the battery. I hope later on they also make a kit available where you can plug this straight into the wall, just in case if you have a bigger house to vacuum, you don't have to wait to charge your battery. Or you can just buy extra battery if you want to. This looks like a wall mount, so you can put your vacuum onto the wall. Oh, this is really cool. Instead of having two different mounts, they just make a two-in-one that's convertible. And most of the component is in this unit right here, the battery, the motor. So this is everything that comes in the box. This is just a straight mount, and to clean out your vacuum, you just pull this lever back and the strap, and you can swap out your filter if it becomes dirty and clean it. If you want to take this entire thing out, the entire tray, you just push this and pull forward to put it back together. Those two little slots over here, you kind of match them here and push back. And to the battery part, if you want to change out the battery or just take it out, you press this and pull straight back. Those two little knobs on the inside, and it slide out. Here's some of the information on the battery. All right, let's put it back on. To turn it on, you just press knob at the bottom, and it's turned on. As you can see, it's showing that I have 23% left of battery. You can see it's really easy to use. You press this to turn it on and off, and you press this capacitive button to go from low, medium, and high. Now I'm going to put it together and do a quick demonstration test for you. Just quick, like this. And the top part, you just click onto this. But if you have different tip for different usage, you can just click this onto it, or this one over here, or you can take it out and mount it over here instead. But we're just gonna demonstrate a quick cleaning on the carpet. And by the way, as you can see, when everything is plugged in, there's light at the bottom, so it becomes handy when you go underneath furniture that are not that bright. You'll be able to shine through. Let me give you an example. I swap out to this small nozzle. I'm gonna do a Wyze test right now. The speed is on medium. Let's see how it goes. Now I'm gonna vacuum this rug for a little bit to see how much dust and other stuff I can collect with this vacuum. I'm gonna put it back on medium. Let's also give this carpet a try. This is where the kids are usually staying and watching TV. Let's see how much stuff it can collect. I feel like they did a really good job the way they designed this, because once it's on the floor or the carpet, it have really good suction. But if you have bigger stuff, you're gonna be vacuuming, you're gonna have trouble with it, because there's not a lot of space for the item to go through. But besides that, I think it did a really good job sucking up debris from the carpet. Now I'm going to show you everything that I collected inside of the vacuum. You probably can see some of the Wyze grains. You can barely see them, and a lot of nasty stuff that this vacuum just collected from the carpet. It did a really good job, because I just vacuumed this carpet with my previous vacuum a couple days ago, and look how much dust it just collected. I am really impressed with this vacuum so far. And again, if you're interested in buying this Wyze product, I would highly recommend it. And any of the other product, if you interested in them, I will leave a link in the description below. Just click on it and you'll be able to buy straight from the link. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Have a good one.